and that turns into steam to help push the wheels around.
How does a windmill work?
Let me show you.
How does it make things go, go, go?
The wind blows the windmill around and around, which makes lots of useful energy.
Marvelous machinery.
Marvelous machinery.
Inventions from technology.
Inventions from technology.
Spark your curiosity. Marvelous machinery.
Marvelous machinery.
Use your creativity.
Use your creativity.
Endless possibilities.
So much to learn. There's endless possibilities. Come on,
How does a magnet work?
let's have a look.
Why does it pull things close to it?
It likes to stick to metal and hold really tight with its very strong force.
How does a helicopter work?
Good question.
How does Harold fly so high?
Harold spins his arms around and around to lift himself up into the air.
Marvelous machinery.
Marvelous machinery.
Inventions from technology.
Inventions from technology.